What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another Tesla video. In this one, we're going to take a look at a specific feature, a part of the version 10 update for Tesla. The clips you're about to see were taken from a live stream that I did, so make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoy this content. Let's go take a look. If you go through the web browser over here, you can't get it full screen. So what you can do is you click Tesla Tutorials. So this is like my little side tip here. So you click Tesla Tutorials, let it load. You scroll down to the bottom, you hit Twitter, and now you have a full screen. Release notes, they say enable streaming. Oh, okay, gotcha. That's cool. So if you click anything here now, you can actually view pretty much any link in full screen. So because I just tweeted it, you can actually click Plex, and you can see Plex will load and work in full screen, which is really, really cool. So I have access to my full Plex library from my house right here on my Tesla screen. And it does work, it does load. I was playing around with young Sheldon, and you can actually see it functions perfectly, which is really, really cool. But again, you need this little workaround where you go through the Tesla tutorial page in order for you to get it. So it's really cool. Something else that they added as well is you have your brightness up top here, so you can actually adjust the brightness from a toggle. Then you also have your temperature, so you don't have to actually exit out of the web app, out of the Netflix app, for example. And let me just lower the volume here. So you don't have to exit out of the app to access your brightness, car temperature, as well as your audio. So you have access to everything up here, which is really, really cool. Just like these small things that made a really big difference in terms of the experience.